My dear brothers and sisters, wish you all Merry Christmas. Christmas is a celebration of joy. Letter to the Philippians, we read chapter 4, verses 4 to 5. Rejoice, rejoice in the Lord. Christmas is a celebration of joy. Jesus is born in Bethlehem. The word Bethlehem means the house of bread. A man born to become bread. This joy we celebrate every day, in day-to-day life, through our Holy Eucharist. We break the bread and we participate together as a one family. We rejoice. Christmas invites everyone as a one family to be in that joy. This season reminds us so much of reflections. When Christmas comes to our mind, what are the thoughts it reminds us? There are so many melodies, songs, carol singing. All these comes to our minds and invites us. This is a time of joy. But I invite you all to really reflect. Is it really that joy is there 2000 years before? Let us go back and reflect each characters. Let us think about Joseph, how he was. He was taking care of Mary, and in his life there was doubt. He was perplexed. He has so much of dreams to be fulfilled. Amidst of his difficulties and struggles, he went ahead. Let us think about Mary. She had dream. She was a young woman. And how she was? She was doubted when angel came. She was perplexed. She was also having different thoughts in her mind. Is there real joy in her heart? Let us think about the shepherds. They were also having different feelings in their heart. They were on the way to see the Jesus. Let us think about Herod the king. He was not at all happy. He wanted to kill Jesus. And he killed many innocent small children. Let us think about the situation in and around that area. Many children being killed by Herod. Think about their parents. So many hearts were confused. Let us see that this time many and various thoughts gone through these people's mind. But amidst of these difficulties and different situation, the birth of Jesus took place. A man born to become bread. Bread for the whole world. And we celebrate in everyday's life. That was a silent night, so we call it silent night. And all looked at Jesus peacefully, in silence. They experienced the real joy. Amidst of their trouble and difficult situation, they enjoyed real joy. In today's world, we also have various difficulties and troubles. An example, look at in and around our society. In this Christmas season also, our beloved farmers, they are under difficulties. Justice being denied, but amidst of their struggles and difficulties, they wait for the better days. They have hope They have not given up everything, waiting for a result. The same way Joseph and Mary had gone through the difficult moments, we also have to pass our difficult situations and hopefully wait for good result. In that situation, amidst of our struggles and difficulties, when we celebrate meaningfully Christmas, there is a joy. There is an inner joy that no one can take away from us, because that joy comes from within. It is within. Nobody can take away from us. So Christmas is a celebration of joy. Gospel of John, when we read chapter 15, verses 11, Jesus said, I have come to give you the joy, that your joy may be complete. Yes, our joy may be complete because the Lord is with us. He has born to become bread for us, bread for whole world. I wish you all Merry Christmas and all blessing of this day, that amidst of our difficult situation and struggles, we celebrate joyfully Christmas. That joy is everlasting, complete. Nobody can take away from us, because that joy comes from within. Wish you all Merry Christmas and blessing.